We're a private equity firm that only invests in self-storage. That's pretty unique in that we're very focused in our niche. It's storage all day, every day. My name's Drew Dolan. I'm one of the principals and the fund manager here at DXD Capital. We're DXD Capital, which means driven by data.
When we looked in the self-storage industry, we saw that there was not a lot of data that existed. My name is Corey Sylvester. I'm one of the principals of DXD Capital. We saw that if we could create that data, create a platform that used it in a tech-forward way, then you could create a lot of efficiency.
My name is Kafila Emanuel. I am the Managing Director of Data and Analytics at DXD. The zoning data that we are investing in is proprietary, but that's just a little part of the story.
In 2023, we had 69,000 unique storage investment opportunities come through our system. Of that, we underwrote about 350. And of that, we issued 10 purchase agreements.
What I really wanted to see was a system where all of this information, the budgets, the dates, everything, all of this data would be readily available. We could make decisions faster, we could qualify deals faster, we could say yes or no.
Because we look at so much data, we're looking for these trends to understand where the market's going so that we can be the best investor and make the right decision at the right time.
I'm Ray Fanti, the Chief Financial Officer and Chief Compliance Officer at DXD. Throughout my career and my history, I focused on being a fiduciary for investors. I take a lot of pride in that work. I want to make sure that the data is accurate, I want to make sure it's timely, and I want to make sure that our investors are happy with their decision to invest in us.
My name is Martha Leader, and I'm the Managing Director for Investor Relations at DXD. I think one of the most important things to any investor anywhere is the ability to trust who you're investing with. So we go above and beyond to provide extensive communication.
My name is Martin Huff. I'm Director of Investor Relations at DXD Capital. I actually came to DXD as an investor prior to coming to work as the Director of Investor Relations. You know, being able to pick up the phone and get an answer immediately, you don't get that at other large firms where you're investing. And what I fell in love with was DXD's development thesis, data-driven development.
We're super excited about the self-storage industry. Hi, I'm Kellen Kelo, Managing Director of Asset Management at DXD. 2 years before a project is built, they're looking at the dirt. And so for us to be able to go ahead and have expertise at every phase is a really powerful thing.
We know what works and what doesn't. I'm Scott Hughes, and I'm DXD's Managing Director of Construction. We're constantly learning from what we're doing job by job. At DXD, we really have the mindset that if there's a better way to do things, we should be doing it that way.
My name is Rodney Lockard. I'm a Director of Construction for DXD. We're building relationships. I have extensive experience in building self-storage facilities, so I was tasked to oversee hiring of general contractors, make sure we're getting quality people. We try to hire people that are partners, and I have relationships with people right now in the industry that I've had for 20 years.
We just need to be honest about where we are and what we're doing, because that honesty builds something that's very valuable, and that's ultimately the game we're in. We're in the game of trust because we're in this for the long run.
Our investors have a lot of opportunities to invest. It is consistently about doing the right thing for our investors, because that's really how you create long-term value.
Every single construction site has a live camera, and our investors get access to that link. So if they're wondering what's happening at 10 a.m. on Tuesday in Maui, they click that link, they go and they see that people are working and exactly what they're working on.
It's been an amazing 4 years for DXD. It's going to be amazing a couple decades in the future when you have a team like we do.
The future for us is scale. We want to do hundreds of self-storage facilities across the country.
We're really, really excited to continue to impact communities positively and ultimately build the best of the best.
I hope that a lot of these investors become lifelong friends and lifelong partners.
We've got a team that is always evolving, always looking for the next way to be better, always looking to improve.
We're just continuing to evaluate as many opportunities as we can and pursue the best storage deals in the country.
That's one of the things I love most about this organization. Everybody's just constantly looking for change, constantly looking for more, for better.
I could not fathom how big this was going to be, or the level it was going to grow, or the depth of knowledge and talent that has been assembled here at DXD. It's truly amazing.
The sky's the limit for us, and there is no end opportunity for what we do in self-storage.